Hey cricket fans, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the complex world of Shakib Al Hasan, a cricketer whose talent on the field is often overshadowed by controversies off the pitch. Shakib Al Hasan, the name that resonates with cricket enthusiasts worldwide. But behind the dazzling performances lies a series of incidents that have stirred strong emotions among fans in Bangladesh. Let's start with the timed-out controversy. In a World Cup clash, Shakib's appeal for Angelo Mathews to be timed out left the cricketing world stunned. This unprecedented dismissal sparked heated debates and drew criticism from Mathews himself. But that's not all. In 2014, Shakib's frustration boiled over when he gestured towards his crotch after a dismissal. The Bangladesh Cricket Board didn't take it lightly, imposing a ban and a hefty fine for what they deemed as inappropriate behavior. Then came the shocker, Shakib's resignation via text message. This abrupt decision raised eyebrows and led to a suspension, further fueling speculation about his commitment to the game. And let's not forget the kick and curse incident during a BPL match, where Shakib's outburst at an umpire landed him in hot water once again. Such displays of frustration have become all too familiar. But perhaps the most damning controversy yet: corruption charges. Shakib faced a 2-year ban for failing to report corrupt approaches, sending shockwaves across the cricketing community and sparking protests on the streets of Bangladesh. Despite his undeniable talent, Shakib's actions have divided fans and raised questions about his legacy in the sport. But one thing's for sure, the cricket-loving community in Bangladesh continues to follow his journey, with each twist and turn adding to the drama. And that wraps up our deep dive into the rollercoaster ride that is Shakib Al Hasan's career. What are your thoughts on the controversies surrounding this cricketing star? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, this is Only Info BD, signing off.